It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Are you ready to celebrate National Window Film Day on April 30th? Approved Home Pro Greg McKay from nu-vue Window Films is here to explain why window films get their own holiday. How about that? Hey, thanks for being here. And I've heard about National Peanut Butter and Jelly Day. I mean, I know there's a day for everything. I didn't know about Window Film Day.
Yeah, who would have known? Window Film Day, National Window Film Day.
That's great. So is there a parade? Do you get the day off?
No, everybody's going to have to go back to work today.
So what is this day about?
This is in regards to promoting the benefits of window films, how they reduce the energy, UV rays,
I know there's so many benefits from this, but let's talk about some of those benefits, the top benefits, because you have these two examples that show different ways that you can use this.
Yeah, these are just a couple samples that we have, so very light to very dark films. Depending on what your needs are, we have films in between that.
Okay, very good. And I know that I have made the mistake of having a closet with a light in, and it faded my clothes, and I've had the carpet where you move the couch and you can see two different colors.
Yes.
And this can help?
Definitely. Just by installing this film here, we can block 99.9% UV rays from coming in.
Okay.
Which will stop.
So what are some of the other benefits? I know that, boy, the SDG&E bills keep going up.
Yeah, so going with some of the darker films, this film right here will stop 50% of the heat from coming in, so that will greatly reduce your heat coming in.
Okay, very good. And also there's a security factor to it as well.
Yes, we also have the safety security films here. This is a growing part of our business.
That's a great example, by the way.
Oh, thank you. So as people are leaving their house for the day, we have a film that we can put on there, helps reduce the would-be thieves from trying to get in through their house by throwing rocks, hammers, whatever means they're trying to get in with.
Now you also have a special offer too for this particular day that we have. What is it?
So it's additional 5% on top of the 10% we already offer for the month of April.
And I know that everyone's needs are different and where they live and the way the light shines through, so you can look at that and customize it.
Yeah, 32 years of experience. I'll make sure we get the right film on your house.
All right, thank you. Our Approved Home Pros experts recommend window films as an option for almost any home. With this extra savings, now is the time to call Greg and his team at nu-vue. Call 619-663-3664 or find them anytime at ApprovedHomePros.com.